Two types of menstrual pain in women. What are the two types of menstrual pain that we have in women? Number one is what we call the primary pain. And then the second one is what we call the secondary pain. The third one is the university. Nothing like that anyway. But when we talk about primary pain, what does that mean? It means the exact thing that usually happens. This is a woman's uterus, right? So this is a womb, right? And then this is the cervix. This is the entrance to the vagina, right? This is the fallopian tube, right? And then this exactly is a womb, right? So now, during period, right, we see that blood will form around the walls. Let me use another pen like this. Around the walls of a woman. Do you understand what I'm saying? Just forget about the drawing, but it works around the walls, and then later it gets to discharge out, right? So at the instance of this blood shedding from the walls of your womb outside, it was determining that kind of pain you feel primarily in the woman. Do you understand what I'm saying, right? So when this thing is shedding away from the walls, that's strains, that's, that's whatever it is called, the process of coming out from the walls, sticking away from the walls causes the pain that you feel, and it's called the primary pain. Do you understand what I'm saying, right? And then such primary pain, it can just be accompanied by headache, cramps, you understand what I'm saying? And then you feel some leg pains, you feel back pain sometimes, you understand what I'm saying? That's for some women. For some women, it doesn't happen, and I will still talk about it. I will talk about it, the next one, right? So it is of importance that you know that this is around primary pain, and then it is necessary in women. So please endure it. Sometimes you have to just take water. Sometimes you have to just take a pain reliever that will be of help to you. Nobody has banned pain reliever. You can take pain reliever to help you. And then some menstrual pads, or what they call it, you understand? Anything that will just help. Put your tummy down, be relaxed, and all of those things. You get what I'm saying? You know exactly what helps you. But for secondary pain now, this one, it's crazy sometimes because it comes with some kind of excruciating pain. What do you mean by excruciating pain? Pain won't carry your life. Pain won't call you to glory. It is important that you should understand that in such a situation, right? Okay, we say you have your womb here, right? You have your womb. In this kind of situation, we can have some serious health challenges within you. Maybe let's say adenomyosis, you understand? We can have endometriosis. In fact, you can even have fibroids. If anything can be wrong with you inside. Do you get what I'm saying, right? So it is a complication inside of your uterus, or inside of your womb, or around it, or maybe retrograde menstruation. Your menstruation, they flow backward. Have you heard about this before? Just stick to this page, and then I will share with you. So it can be any of these complications, cervical, whatever abnormalities, vaginal abnormalities. Do you understand? Or uterine abnormalities. So it is important for you to go ahead and seek a doctor if you're having secondary pain. Note, secondary pain is not something for you to endure. You don't endure secondary pain. You do what? You go and complain at the hospital. Do you understand what I'm saying, right? You complain at the hospital. You don't endure secondary pain because it is excruciating. It's as if you want to take your life. It's not somebody that will say, don't worry. Something as if you want drowsiness, dizziness, as if you won't fall down. Please report yourself to the hospital. It is very important. So take note of this. It is important that you know that secondary pain is not something you should joke with at all within your life. When you see that the pain that you are feeling is something that wants to take your life, is something that is not helping you at all, please find your way to the hospital. Now, that is it about that. Why do some women, we don't see cramps in them? Why is it that some women don't have cramps, don't have pain? Okay, now, so just enter my page and then you see the next video. Also, you can see the previous video that you missed. And please follow the page, and then you can be able to see my subsequent videos as well. Seriously, you don't have to mention. You're welcome.